Welcome students again. In this particular class we are talking about linear homogeneous recurrence relations with constant coefficients. Linear homogeneous recurrence relations with constant coefficients. What do you mean by that? Take for example these recurrence relations where an can be written as C1 into an minus 1 plus C2 into an minus 2 plus dot 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 Ck into an minus k. That is, an is written as in terms of its previous terms. Therefore, this is a recurrence relations. Now, what are they? C1, C2, C3, dot 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 Ck. All these are constants where Ck is not equal to 0, where Ck is not equal to 0, then we say that this is a linear homogeneous recurrence relations. Now look at the power of these all these n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3, all these things, the power is 1. Therefore we call it as it is a linear homogeneous equation. Of course, this is a recurrence relations. We are adding that also with the constant coefficients of C1, C2, C3, dot 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 Ck. So this is a general form of linear homogeneous recurrence relations. Now some examples coming down. Pn is equals to 1.11 Pn minus 1. Can you remember this? This is what a compound interest formula. Am I correct? The current year total amount equals if the interest rate is interest rate we had there is 11%, then 1.11 into Pn minus 1, where Pn minus 1 is the previous deposited amount. So this is what a good example for a linear recurrence relation with constant coefficients. Here the power is 1. Look at that, power is 1. Now take second example as Fn equals Fn minus 1 plus n minus 2. Can you say what is this equation is? This equation is a Fibonacci recurrence relation. Am I correct? So that is also a good example for the linear recurrence relation which are in homogeneous in nature, because the power is 1, here also power is 1. Now this is not a linear recurrence relation because the power of the variable an minus 2 is 2. Therefore it is not a linear equation, or we can say it is not a linear recurrence relation. Homogeneous, of course. Now it's not a homogeneous. Why? All should have all the variables, then only we say it's a homogeneous. But here we don't have a constant is there, therefore it's not a homogeneous. Similarly here it is n into bn minus 1 is not linear, does not have constant coefficients. It is n, a variable we have, but a constant should come here. Therefore it is not a linear regression equations with constant coefficients. Okay, so these were some of the things that you have to understand as far as linear homogeneous regression equation is considered. Okay, so thank you very much for listening to me to listen to this small concept. In the next problem we'll take one problem and we'll be solving that. Okay, so thank you very much.